want to welcome the Island Aurora to the unceded territory of the Nungies. Our community is really excited about having a brand new ferry and all the things that go with that. Really excited about not having to get to the lineup an hour or two early on the busy runs.
Welcome to the Island Aurora, serving the Tri-Islands in the northern Vancouver Island area. She's a key step towards a cleaner environment and a quieter planet.
Having the Island Aurora sailing in our waters this summer will limit the number of overloads that we have, so Island Aurora, welcome to Alert Bay.
of Commerce is very pleased with BC Ferries' announcement to provide a higher capacity, more energy efficient ferry to the North Island. The ferry system is incredibly important to the socioeconomic and well-being of the North Island residents. Welcome to Port McNeill.
From the efforts of the residents of Malcolm Island, the Island Aurora has finally arrived. We have the new ferry. Welcome to Sointula.
Welcome to Port McNeill, Island Aurora. We look forward to a beautiful brand new vessel with increased capacity, servicing the Tri-Island area. We can't wait to see you in our bay.
We are excited to have the Island Aurora service our community. Welcome to Alert Bay.
A warm welcome to the Island Aurora. May you serve your communities well for many years to come. And fair winds and following seas to all who will sail on her.
We're all excited about the day when we can run the ferry fully electric and greatly reduce the impact on the environment. So kudos for that. So again, welcome Island Aurora to the unceded territory of the Nungies. Quietest.